Hi, how are you doing? It's my shower. Get out of here! My toilet seat broke. So, I gotta put on a new one. I hope this doesn't stress me out too much because I do have to perform an airdrop. Let's do it. Alright. Or Jason's new toilet seat. There's something on that. This doesn't look like the shape of my toilet. And I've got the hardware. So why is there only one of them? I now know why the seat needs to be down when you sit on, because I sympathize with the ladies out there, and that's terrifying when your booty meat almost touches the water. Alright, so uh-oh. You know what? We're just gonna live with it. Here's the directions. We're done. Okay. Adjust seat front to back for proper fit. Oh, there's adjustments front and... Oh, I see. There's adjustments. I get it. Okay. I see where they're going with this. I don't. Oh. Okay. What are these little... What? What are those? What are those things inside of you? I think I pushed them in the hole. Like that, maybe? What do now? I'm assuming into the... No. Well, what about these things? Oh, you snap it off. That seems dangerous. And then twist these on. I'm 6'2". This might be interesting. I think I'm gonna have to Dumbo drop. These were here when I moved in. Terribly convenient if you really gotta. I'm gonna have to do two. Ooh. Oh, okay. Hey, how you doing? And you get over here and you kind of just don't do that. You just kind of gotta. Oh, don't get difficult. I need probably get away with a screwdriver. I got it. Now. Okay. All right. There. Oh, much better. Okay, cool. Lefty loosey. Make sure that. Oh, do that, son. Don't be doing that, because that's counterproductive. I've been working on the railroad all the livelong day. I've been screwing on a toilet seat what seems to be like a friggin' hour. There we go. Okay. And pull it forward. Here. What happened? Don't you even mess around with me. Oh. Close that back up. Well, there we go. Now I just gotta wait around for a test run. I'll make some coffee.